fruit is rich in vitamins, fibre, and of course, antioxidants, making it a great source of nutrition when you're trying to conceive. But are you wondering which are the best fruits for boosting fertility? Well, stay tuned and I'll reveal my top 5. Welcome to Nourish. My name is Melanie McGrice and I'm a fertility and pregnancy dietitian. I work with parents-to-be to help you get pregnant and give your baby the best start in life. If you haven't already done so, pause this video and download my free fertility meal plan from www.melaniemcgrice.com/fertility. But make sure that you come back because in this video, I'm going to describe my top 5 favourite fruits for boosting fertility. So, starting in 5th place, I'm going to give this to pineapple. Pineapple has long been known as a fertility superfood, believed to increase rates of embryo implantation. Although there are 0 studies to back this myth, the theory actually holds some weight. Pineapple core is rich in a nutrient called bromelain, and bromelain is an enzyme which is beneficial for reducing inflammation and thinning the blood, both of which are very beneficial strategies for increasing implantation. In addition to bromelain, pineapples are a particularly rich source of vitamin C, which helps to boost iron absorption and acts as an antioxidant, defending your eggs against oxidative stress, which can cause chromosomal damage. So, although there's no proof that they increase embryo implantation, they have so many fertility health benefits that they still earn 5th spot in my best fruits for boosting fertility list. Now, I've awarded 4th place to red grapes. Red grapes are one of the richest sources of resveratrol. Resveratrol is a polyphenol which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's also what makes red grapes red. Consequently, there are much higher rates of resveratrol in red grapes than in green grapes. But what excites me as a fertility dietitian is that emerging studies have found that resveratrol may protect human follicular cells, which are the cells that will become your eggs, from oxidative stress, which is one of the most common causes of damage to our eggs. So, my advice to you is to include a handful or 2 of red grapes or other fruits rich in resveratrol in your preconception meal plan. 3rd place goes to acai berries. We know that fruits are rich in nutrition and beneficial for fertility, but few fruits have been directly studied. Acai berries are one of the few. Emerging research suggests that acai berries may be beneficial for the fertility of women who are trying to conceive a little later in life. There's a lot more research to be done until this advice can be stated categorically, but until then, it's good enough to make my list of best fruits for boosting fertility. Unfortunately, acai berries are difficult to buy fresh, so most commonly come in frozen or in powdered form. I'd recommend purchasing the frozen variety and using them for smoothie bowls for an antioxidant-rich breakfast. Now, runner-up for Melanie's best fruit for boosting fertility goes to avocado. Yes, avocado is actually a fruit because it has a seed. Now, avocados are extremely rich in folate, fibre, good monounsaturated fats and fat-soluble antioxidants, all of which have been linked to improvements in fertility. In fact, 2/3 of the fatty acids in avocados are good monounsaturated fats, which have been connected to reducing weight, high blood pressure and insulin resistance, all of which are great for optimizing fertility. So I'd recommend that you look at which high saturated fat foods you can substitute for avocado. For example, swap butter for avo on your toast or sandwich and you'll reduce your bad saturated fat intake from 10.3 grams to just 0.8 grams. Or swap mayo on your salad to an avocado dressing, or bacon with your eggs to a couple of slices of avocado. All of these small swaps will go a long way to boosting your fertility. Now, 1st place. Can you guess which fruit I've awarded my best fruit for boosting fertility prize to? Drum roll, please. 1st place goes to blueberries. Did you guess right? Blueberries have up to 9.2 millimoles of antioxidants per 100 grams, or 3.5 ounces, making them one of the richest sources of antioxidants of all fruit. Researchers have found that blueberries can assist with reducing inflammation and even changing the expression of certain genes, making them, in my eyes, a true fertility superfood. Blueberries are great added to yogurt, smoothies, waffles, or even salads, but personally, I love to snack on them as an after-dinner snack while I'm relaxing. And if they're not in season, don't worry, because frozen blueberries often have an even higher concentration of antioxidants than fresh ones do. So I hope you've enjoyed my top 5 best fruits for boosting fertility. But remember that all fruits are nutritious, and it's great to eat a rainbow of coloured fruits to get a diversity of nutrients and antioxidants. Now, if you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe and check out some of my other fertility videos on topics such as how to make a fertility juice and beetroot for fertility. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. 5 seems to be a recurring number at the moment, which helps to boost